Yes, Lua. What a mess, Lua. What is that? Lua. Is that Lua?
Sit down, please.
Okay.
Welcome to Lua's Life. Today we are doing a dance. Lua's Life.
Oh my goodness, there is a unicorn here in this bedroom. I can't believe it. Hi, Miss Unicorn. How are you?
Good.
Good. So are you a magical unicorn girl? Yes? You can make things disappear? Wait. You have a broom in your hand and you can make things disappear?
Yeah,
So it means you can clean up all this mess.
My horn makes everything even more messier.
Wait.
My horn does.
But I thought you were making things disappear. Can you make all of this disappear and clean up?
Look, it's gone.
It's not gone. I see everything still. Not gone. Miss Unicorn, we need to do something about this.
My powers are not working anymore.
Your powers are not working anymore?
Yes.
Why not? It worked to make the mess. Are you a powerful unicorn?
Yeah. But my powers are gone. My powers only make messes right now.
Your power only makes messes?
Right now.
Okay. I guess a little bit of a mess is okay. Are you having fun, Miss Unicorn?
Yeah.
Yes.
But I also got boo-boo when I was flying.
You got a boo-boo when you were flying?
Yeah.
Oh no. How did you fly?
Bad.
You flew bad?
Yeah. Now I don't have wings anymore. Look.
You were a unicorn that had wings?
Yes. But now my wings are lost.
Oh, Miss
They
Unicorn.
fell off while I was flying, and then I heard him this.
Oh, look at that. You got a boo-boo. Oh no, Miss
And
Unicorn.
it's a long one. Just kidding, it's a short one.
Bling!
Oh my goodness, I got my wings back.
You got your wings back, Lua?
Yeah.
Oh, Miss Unicorn can fly now. Wow. So maybe you can fly and fix all this bedroom.
But my horn is broken.
Oh, your horn is broken now?
Yeah.
What happened to your horn?
It cracked when I was flying. There.
It cracked when you were flying? So now you cannot clean up?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's still dirty.
It's still dirty? Oh no, Miss Unicorn. I don't know, Miss Unicorn. So, okay. Can we just walk and clean up with our hands?
I don't have hands.
Wait a second, Miss Unicorn. I think you're just making up reasons to not
No, I
clean
don't.
up.
No. I'm not. This is how it happens sometimes when my wings are on.
When what?
When my wings are on.
Oh, when your wings are on, what happens? You don't have hands?
Yeah. And also my horn's broken too.
And what does that mean? So you cannot do anything about this bedroom? Oh, you got hands back. What happened now?
I got feet, but I can't walk with feet.
You got feet, but you cannot walk with feet?
Yes.
But I thought you were a unicorn, so you have 4 paws, no? You walk like a horse, no?
Let me check.
You are a unicorn that has wings. Oh, and the mask extends. Wait, unicorn. Come back here.
What?
I think you're a troublemaking unicorn.
Yes, I am.
You are? A troublemaking unicorn?
Yes.
What kind of trouble?
Making messes.
Making messes, unicorn? I don't want to making mess, unicorn.
I'm going to try to make me. That's my house pull toy, so I can make everything, my horn, clean.
Oh, so you're gonna fix your horns so you can try to make things clean?
I'm a clean unicorn.
You are a clean unicorn now? Oh, you fixed your horn? Can you help clean up now, Miss Unicorn? Let's go. Let's help clean up. Let's go. Together. We can do it together. I'll help you, Unicorn. You just got your powers back. We can do it. We can do it. Let's go, Unicorn. Let's go. Let's go.
Vlog. You did.
Did we finish?
Yeah.
That's our work, Lua.
I'm not Lua.
Unicorn girl. Your name is Serena?
Yes.
Serena, unicorn girl?
Yes.
All right, so thank you so much, Serena, unicorn girl, for your magic and helping clean up. Hmm?
That's my hair.
Ah.
Magic.
That was not your magic, that was your hands. Well, you had magic of willpower to help mommy and
I'm not tired.
no, you're not tired? So what are you gonna do now? More messes. And then clean up again. You're turning into a human? Don't look at you. Miss Unicorn Lady, are you turning into a human? You're a human with wings. Oh,
I'm a human.
you're a human with wings?
Yes. I'm this kind of unicorn now, and then I turned into a human with wings.
All right. You are a human with wings. A beautiful human that can fly high up in the sky, maybe.
can't.
But you can help mommy clean up the mess, right? No? Again? Ah! Oh, I don't want to start this again, Lua. All right, say bye to the guys. Say it, say it, say it, say it.
Alright. We won't make a mess again. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Lua's Life.
Guys, what a mess! What a mess we have over here. Look at this. It's Play-Doh, it's cars, it's puzzles. We need to clean up. Guys, I need help cleaning up. Are you guys gonna help me? Clean up, 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 clean up. Let's clean up. Come on, Lucy. Come clean up. Come clean up. Come clean up. Help, 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 help. Maybe we can find a little bag. Let's put it in here. Clean up, 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 clean up. Let's go. Clean up, clean up. Come on, guys. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Guys, come on, help me. Yes, let's put it.
I just saw it in my room. I saw it in my room.
Clean up, clean up, clean up. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Come for the guys. Let's go. Clean up, clean up, clean up. I'll help you. You
Guys, I love you.
It's easy like in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you. You help me. It's in 1, 2, 3. We're done. I'll help you. You help me. It's easy like in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you. You help me. We're done in 1, 2, 3. Sing it. Clean up, 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 clean up. I'll help you and you help me. It's easy like in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you and you help me. We're done in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you and you help me. It's easy like in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you and you help me. We're done in 1, 2, 3. Clean up, 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 clean up. I'll help you and you help me. It's easy like in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you, you help me. We're done in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you, you help me. It's easy like in 1, 2, 3. I'll help you and you help me. We're done in 1, 2, 3. Clean up, 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 clean up. Thanks for helping me, Lua.
Bye.